Nationally, we saw house prices continue to rise, but in some capital cities, they're certainly slowing down. However, Perth is still growing strongly. We saw 1.6% growth in the month of September. What we also are seeing now that spring has come is that volume of stock for sale has increased. However, we're still a long way from balanced market, but we certainly are seeing a bit more stock available. Now that we've hit spring, we're certainly starting to see some more stock come into the market. That's good news for buyers. However, the numbers available are still not enough to satisfy demand, and that's why we're going to continue to see prices rise. In the month of September, we saw the median price in Perth, according to Reva Stats, reach $700,000, which is 21.5% above where it was 12 months ago. In the unit market, we saw the median price reach $465,000, and that's over 16% growth in just the last 12 months. There was 3,952 properties available for sale at the end of September in 2024. Now that is an increase over what we've seen in previous months of over 8%. However, it's still 19% lower than it was 12 months ago. In fact, in the last period of between November and May 24, the stock available had dropped 40%. So we're starting to see year-over-year decreases decline slowly, but albeit there's certainly not enough stock available in the market. The median days to sell is now 10 days, which is an improvement, but it's still very, very fast days to sell. We normally think about a 30 to 40 days region is a balanced market. Sitting at 10 days with half the stock selling in that time, that's very, very low and still just shows that demand is outstripping supply. In the month of September, we saw the median house price rent sit at $650 a week and the monthly median unit price sitting at $600 a week. They're both steady over the previous month. The number of properties listed for rent has hit over 2,000. We're seeing it sitting at 2,049 properties listed for rent. Now that is a decrease of over 8% from where it was the previous month. However, it is about 19% more than we saw 12 months ago. So we are seeing a bit of stabilisation in the rental market after a long period of rental price growth. It is starting to stabilise, a bit more stock come into the market. Having said that, it's simply not enough rentals. We would anticipate a balanced market's closer to 6,000 properties for lease. So still a tough market to rent a property, but at least the rents are stabilising at the moment. There were lots of strong performing suburbs in Perth in the month of September. We saw Koodanup prices rise 3.5% in 1 month alone, Bassendean up 3.2%, Duncraig was up 2.9%, Dudley Park up 2.9%, and Kelmscott up 2.8%. So once again, we're seeing right across the Perth metropolitan market, where a couple of suburbs in Mandurah performing strongly, out to the east in Bassendean, and even in the northern suburbs of Duncraig, we're seeing really strong price growth across the board. Forrestfield is out in the eastern suburbs of Perth, near the airport. It's got fantastic improved accessibility with the completion of the new airport link, meaning you can get from the airport to the city very quickly. And not only that, many people who live in that region have additional train stations, which means they can get not only to the airport, but also into other places of Perth quite easily. It's also near the Wellspool industrial area, and the suburb has experienced strong annual growth of 24.5%. Now, the median house price is still relatively cheap though compared to Perth. It's sitting at $635,000. And this has been a major draw card for families looking to live in that area and also for investors as well. Investors have been attracted by the strong rental yields and also some higher density zoning that has been in place, allowing potential redevelopment opportunities in the future. It's still a buoyant market, but we are seeing more of a focus on family-friendly or owner-occupier homes. We're seeing people locally looking to help their children get into homes. We're seeing people relocate back into Perth, and we're also seeing people in the rental market trying to get into home ownership as well. So certainly that has been the strongest focus from our team, what they're seeing out there in the market. Lots of people looking for family homes on reasonable sized blocks. If you'd like more information on what's happening in the market, or you'd like to learn about how to invest in property, please give us a call on 9221 6399 or visit our website momentumwealth.com.au, and one of our team will be delighted to help you.